The Quinn Hornet is a 15-inch FPV drone with a takeoff weight of 18 kilograms and a payload capacity of up to 9.5 kilograms. Despite its impressive dimensions, it retains maneuverability and all the advantages of FPV racing drones. The Quinn Hornet is composed of 65% Ukrainian components. The drone was developed and tested by our engineers, and now dozens of these drones perform hundreds of combat missions on the front lines every day. This drone comes in 4 different modifications. First, kamikaze with a shaped charge. Second, bomber with a load of 6 to 9 kilograms. Third, drone carrier. Fourth, repeater. These drones are changing the nature of the war by increasing operational range and payload. To ensure the invaders feel the impact, we need to make thousands of these drones.